Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. This is part 4 of our HTML for Beginners tutorial series, and in this tutorial we'll be going over attributes. So attributes basically define additional information about elements, and each element can have an attribute. And so attributes can come in many shapes and sizes, like there can be ID, class, title, style. There are countless HTML attributes, but there are only a few that you really need to know. So one of them is ID, and you set attributes by stating the name of the attribute to ID, and then equals, and then in quotations whatever you want. So I'll just call this 1. And so what this does is now I'm able to reference this p tag by its ID, and I can reference other p tags by their IDs if I set them. Another would be class. So class is equal to 2. And then you can have multiple elements inside of one class. With IDs, you can only have one element with that ID. And so there are many different elements or attributes that you can use in an element. Another attribute is title. And what title does is it displays whatever you set once you hover your mouse over an element. So say we set the title to 111 and then save. As you can see, when we hover our mouse over it, 111 is displayed. Alright, so this is just a brief overview of elements. You guys can look on Google for the countless other elements you'll need in your projects, but I just want to give a brief overview, and that's it. Well, this has been Steam Code. Thanks for watching. If you liked, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.